Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you, and thank you for subscribing, thank you for inviting people, thank you for sharing, and thank you for liking. I don't take it for granted. We are growing day by day, and I'm so grateful. Today we are going to discuss basically about electrical gadgets for the kitchen. These are egg boilers, air fryers, deep fryers, blenders, toasters, electrical kettles, microwaves, and etc. Today specifically, I want to talk about the air fryer. What's an air fryer, if you may ask? This is a gadget that is used to cook things like meat, fish, chicken without using oil, especially for those people who are cutting down on weight, me being one of them. We are cutting down on weight, or we are reducing down on oily things. Basically, if you put fish, chicken, for fries you put very little oil to cook with, to air fry it, but for fish and chicken you don't have to. So you just insert it comes with a basket, and it comes with a basket, a fryer, and now the air fryer itself. This is the air fryer I have. The most known brands are Tefal and Philips, but I bought a locally assembled brand. Let me show you. This is the brand I'm talking about, TLAC. TLAC means tender love and care. Actually, when I saw I learned, I can say I saw or I learned about air fryers through my friends. One of them has the TLAC, and the other one has Tefal. So I asked them about it, and they told me, and I went window shopping. And when I went there, I also saw Philips. That's a household name here in Kenya. So I decided I'm going to go with the TLAC. And when I googled about it, I was redirected to Facebook, and that's when I learned actually it's a local company here in Kenya. So this is a locally assembled air fryer. This is so nice. I'm so happy. So it has a control panel. These are the components. Maybe I'll start with the components. It has a control panel, very easy control panel. This is the temperature one. For the temperature, it goes up to 200 degrees. And this is the timer. It goes up to 60 minutes, and it has a bell also. Once maybe the time that you had set for some specific thing, maybe the chicken or the fish is through, it rings the bell like an oven. Then when you switch it on, it has the heat. It shows it has the light section, so it lights. Once you switch it on, it lights. When you switch it on, then you turn this knob for the heat, the heat knob, the temperature knob. It lights up. It also comes with a basket, non-stick basket, and a fryer. It comes with a non-stick basket with a fryer. It has a security buckle. This buckle, right now it's pushed behind. So when you want to detach the basket, you push it in front, then you press. You press, then you lift it up. It's very nice. So this is the basket, and this is the fryer. This is a 3-liter basket. It's a 3-liter. You press back also still, then you return it back. The fry pot is 5 liters, but the basket is 3 liters. What is the rated power? It's 1300 watts. The rated voltage is between 220 to 240 volts. So that is economical. Because most of us are using tokens and everything, that's economical. What have you tried out with the air fryer? Personally, I tried out fries as the things that they are indicated, but I tried out 3. I tried out fries, I tried out fish, I tried out chicken, and I tried out meat. What worked for me? Chicken and fish came out, and samosa came out so well. For samosa, what I did, I applied oil in the duff when it's still raw. I applied oil in the duff before air frying it. It tasted so well. I loved it. I loved the chicken. Actually, that coil that I showed you, it consumes the excess oil, and that's why, actually, before I forget, before I air fry anything, I usually insert this. Let me show you. So you take a square. I put 2. And I insert inside like that. Then now I put the basket. in it. I put the basket. So why do I do this? Most of the time, something like chicken really has excess oil, especially if you do soup pack. I usually do soup pack at times. It's economical, and at times I just want to feel the taste of chicken, not really like that. How do we call? I have that serious craving of a chicken, so I just buy the soup pack. When I put it, soup pack usually has excess oil, so the excess oil drips on the tissue. So it's very easy. Once you are through, you just clean. Then take another tissue, clean until it's clean, it's dry. Then now the only thing that you'll have to wash is the basket. The baskets don't have to wash, so you don't have to wash it every day. And the good thing about this I loved is that it's non-stick. These are non-stick. The basket and the fry is non-stick. The fries are 3 liter, and the fries are 5 liter. The basket is a 3 liter. Basically, I tried out fries. I didn't like fries. With fries, for those who might want to try, once you have already peeled and chopped your fries, you drip some little oil and salt, then you mix, then now you place on the fryer. I didn't like the taste. Maybe other people love, but I didn't like the taste. Also with meat, it really made the meat so dry, so I also didn't like the taste. But it went well with the fish and the chicken. Where can I find the air fryer? This one I bought from Carrefour, the junction, but also in Carrefour Hub. I actually saw last week they have an offer. It goes usually for 11,000 and something, but now it has been reduced to 7,995. You can go, it's pocket friendly. That's a great offer. That's like 4K down. What other brands can I recommend for air fryer? Philips and Tefal. Those are very nice brands. I can recommend them. There are other various. I don't know much about them. The same I googled about this and tried it out, but I had seen a friend with it, so that's why I also tried it out. But you can also try. There are others which are cheaper. I've seen Von. They also have. You can give a try with Von. So how can you recommend it? Yes, I can recommend it, because at times you just want to eat a grilled chicken, and this one is just an easy way and quicker way to do it. And also fish, it's very healthy. It has no side effects, please. It's very healthy. It's certified and verified. So do you need to get one? If you ask me, yes, you can need to get one. So I've loved the TLAC. It's really nice. It's efficient. It's affordable, and it's really easy to operate. Their control panel is so easy to operate. You read the instructions, and you also maybe click on Facebook to see how it's operated. It's very easy, it's very efficient, and it's very affordable. I look forward for you people buying. Then come and give me reviews. You can buy Tefal, you can buy Von, you can buy TLAC, you can buy Philips, you can buy any brand. The thing which I usually say, at times it's not about the brand name that is well known, but the product itself. So how well do you take of your product also matters how long your product will stay. So thank you so much for watching. Continue subscribing, continue liking, and inviting friends. I look forward to your comments. If there's anything you need to know about the air fryer, please share it on the comment section. I'll be very ready and available to answer your questions. Thank you very much, and have a blessed week. Bye bye.